Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Preston Tensong haka khatlai tarik ulbeat arjar arfulai. Uloong ba ka Shnong Mukroh kadang Hapoh uput usam jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ngai omsho uput usam jong ke Jylla Assam. Kumbalakam du Menteri Rangba jong ke Jylla Assam. Uhimanta Biswas Sarma. Kini ke jingkren jong ba Preston kalong hadian bu Menteri Rangba jong ke Jylla Assam. Uhimanta Biswas Sarma ulah pentip Hapoh ke yang dorbar tauan jong ke Jylla Assam. Maka Shnong Mukroh kadang Hapoh uput usam jong ke West Karbing Anglong District jong ke Jylla Assam. Hak jingkren bigelat pathai kubur ba Preston lo angru ba umla satya ban sungtu ya kini ke jingkren jong Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Assam. Haba ke jingkren penbaik put hagawat ke baar kadang ya cekmat.
Our stand is very clear. Mukroh is well within Meghalaya. It is very clear, and it is even till this moment under the position of Meghalaya. So it is very clear. Mukroh is well within Meghalaya. We will walk out because our priority is has to be initiated now. We have already made it very clear to the people of the state that the second phase of talk will start very soon, so we will walk it out accordingly. I don't know why the such statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, because now we are in the process of stepping into the second phase of talk. I personally feel he should not say that. It is very unfortunate if he would have made the statement inside the house. But let me tell you one more thing, and very clearly, that Mukroh area falls under Meghalaya.
Will you be registering a protest letter to Assam, sending a letter?
Not necessarily, because the talk will start again. The talk will start again, so just wait for that.